Myself, Ashutosh Pawan, Faculty, Department of BCA, Harprasad Das Jain College, Ara. In this video lecture, I am going to teach you how you can use a structure in a C program. In previous video lecture, I have taught you about what are the necessary syntaxes that you must have to follow to use a structure in a C language program. And I will now going to teach you using a program how you have to follow the syntaxes to use a structure in a C program. For this, I have written a question on the board. First of all, we should look the question. The question is saying that write a program in C to input a date of birth and display the same. What the question is saying? You have to input the date of birth. Means you have to store the date of birth of any person in computer's memory. Remember, C provides you the inbuilt data type char, int, float, double. You can modify the range using signed, short, unsigned and long keywords, or these keywords can be used to modify the range of the provided data types. But to store a date of birth, the memory should be of date type. What is date? You have to first look at. A date is a collection of day, month and year. Day is a integer quantity, month is also a integer quantity and year is also an integer quantity. So these three values combinedly defines a date, and to declare a date type variable you must have a data type called as date. C does not provide you such data type because any keyword does not match the word date. This means that there is no keyword by the name date in C that you can use to create a memory so that you can store a date in computer's memory. Hence, we have to first create a data type, and then we can create a memory to store a date in a memory that is declared using the data type date. How we can do this? I am going to teach you by a C language program. First of all, I have written the preprocessor directive as include and written the header file name stdio.h. Now, by the program we have to input and display a date of birth. Hence, we have to declare a data type by the name date. And for this, we have to use a structure in the program. First of all, you have to declare the structure, and I have provided you three different syntaxes in my previous video lecture of the structure to declare the structure. The structure can be declared by this syntax also. This syntax states that you have to put first a struct, thereafter a tag name. I am putting the tag name day, then I have to open the curly brace, and then I have to declare the members of this data type. My data type is date, where D is in capital letter. Now I have to declare the members of the structure. Date includes day, month and year. All these are of integer type, hence I am declaring these variables as of integer data type. I have used this syntax that I have written here on the board. That is, the syntax is data type space variable name. One or more variable can be declared by a single declaration statement, and when you have to declare more than one variables, then you have to separate the variable names by using comma operator. Hence, I have declared the structure member, and then I have to put curly bracket close, and then I have to put semicolon while using the syntax to declare the structure. Now, after declaring the structure, I have to declare the structure variable so that I can store day, month, year in a single named memory. And by declaring the structure variable, we can create a single named memory that can refer day, month and year combinedly. Now, I am writing void main. Rest of the part will be done in main body. We can also perform this task in main body. I will discuss this about in next video lecture, why I have declared the structure in the upper part after the preprocessor directive and header file name line. Now, when my program's execution begin, first of all, memory should be created that can store a date of birth, and to declare such memory, I have to declare the structure variable of date type. Now, to declare the structure variable, I have to use the syntax that I have put on the board here. The syntax starts with struct, thereafter tag name. I have put the tag name in my program code as date, D capital, and thereafter a space, and then I have to write a structure variable name. I am providing my structure variable name as DOB. This is the variable that will store the date of birth, and this variable has been declared of type date. Since date is a not C language keyword, and hence I have to first declare this word as a data type, and for this I have to declare the structure. Now, I have to prompt the user to input a date, enter your date of birth. I have put a printf message that will prompt the user during the runtime of the program to enter a date of birth. Now I have to write the code that will take input of a date of birth, and for this I am writing the scanf function. To input a date of birth, I have to input day, month and year. 3 quantities I have to enter during the runtime of the program. Hence, I am writing 3 conversion strings or format specifiers within the scanf parenthesis in the inverted comma. And for first integer quantity, the first input value will be stored in day memory, and this day memory has been combined within the structure memory. The structure memory will be referred by the name DOB. Hence, to input and store the day of a date, I have to write here $DOB dot day. First input value will be stored in this memory, but this memory has been hidden inside or combined inside the memory that has been named here DOB. Hence, I have to refer this memory by writing DOB dot day. Then second input value will be similarly stored at the address of DOB dot month, and similarly the third input value will be stored in the memory DOB dot year. Now I have written the scanf function that will take three inputs and will store in the memory DOB in separate memory location day, month and year. According to the question, I have to take input of a date of birth and I have to display the same date of birth. Hence, we have not write the code to perform any calculation, but we have to write the code that will perform the required output, and for producing output we have to use printf function in the program to display the date of birth. I am writing the printf function as printf. Some message has been displayed before producing the output. For displaying the date, I have to display three quantities: day, month and year. Hence, I have put three conversion string within the parenthesis of printf in inverted comma. First conversion string is %d. This %d has been used to display the value that has been stored in day memory that has been combined in DOB memory. So, first value that will be displayed for displaying a date will be DOB dot day. Next value will be displayed as month of the date of birth, and this will be displayed by writing DOB dot month, and thereafter the value is stored in year memory that has been combined in DOB memory will be displayed on the screen, and hence I have written here DOB dot year. Close the parenthesis of printf and put the semicolon, and thus we have created a program that will display a date of birth by using a structure.